playing and having fun. We're Avengers.
Let's go meet the stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet the stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet the stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet main sequence stars, the type of stars that most stars are? Will we meet binary stars, circling each other, how bizarre? Will we meet a neutron star, one that spins called a pulsar? Will we meet a supergiant? I really love science.
I'm a yellow dwarf and I'm your sun. I'm the center of our solar system. I'm a main sequence star, a type that's very common. I'm made of hydrogen that converts to helium.
I'm an orange dwarf star. My name is Tulamon. From the Alpha Centauri triple star system, the closest system to your sun. I'm a binary star with a yellow dwarf, Alpha Centauri A, with red dwarf Proxima Centauri close by. Maybe you'll visit someday.
My name is Travis from the Aquarius constellation. I'm a red dwarf star, cooler and dimmer than your sun. I have at least 7 orbiting planets, 3 that could have life on them, which means you might have neighbors. You would call them aliens.
A brown dwarf star. My name is Day 1 from the Pleiades, clustered in the Taurus constellation. I'm a small ball of gas without enough mass. I failed to ignite, so I'm hard to see at night. Who else is out there? I'm Arcturus, a red giant star from the Boötes constellation. I've used up my hydrogen core. As I age, I'll expand and shed my outer layers away, leaving a white dwarf star core and a nebula cloud display. A blue-white giant star, Bellatrix is my name. In the Orion constellation, I burn hot with bluish flames. Blue stars burn the hottest and are the brightest in the sky. We use up all our energy quick, and then we say goodbye.
The red supergiant from Orion. I'm Beetlejuice. I'm one of the rarest and largest types of stars in the universe. I'm building pressure and unstable, almost ready to explode. Eventually, I'll supernova and could become a black hole.
I'm a blue-white supergiant. My name is Rigel, the brightest star in Orion, the constellation where I dwell. I'm still a young star with extreme luminosity. One of the hottest and rarest types of stars in the galaxy. Who else is out there? Let's go meet the stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet the stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet the stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet main sequence stars, the type of stars that most stars are? Will we meet binary stars, circling each other, how bizarre? Will we meet a neutron star, one that spins called a pulsar? Will we meet a supergiant? I really love science. I'm the crab pulsar, a young spinning neutron star. I'm left over from a supernova of a giant star's collapsed core. You can find me in Taurus. I'm very small, dense, and unique. I rotate 30 times per second, so it looks to you like I blink. I'm a white dwarf star named Procyon B. I'm in the constellation Canis Minor, and I'm a star that's binary. I used to be a large star that used up all its energy, so I shed my outer layers, and all that's left is dense little me.
The binary star. My name is Sirius. I'm the brightest star you see at night, but there's actually 2 of us. Sirius A, a white main sequence star. Sirius B, a white dwarf star. The finest Canis Major, circling around each other.
No, Cassiopeia! I'm the rarest type of star. I'm a yellow hypergiant. The biggest stars by far. I'm very far away, but like a thousand times brighter than your sun. Although I'm very rare, I'm not the only one. Who else is out there?
Scutai is my name, and I'm the largest known star. I'm a red hypergiant, bigger than all the other stars are. I come from the Scutum constellation, very far away, thousands of light years from Earth, near the center of the Milky Way.
Who else is out there? Let's go meet more stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet more stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet more stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet Wolf-Rayet stars, living fast and dying hard? Will we meet eclipsing binary stars, eclipsing each other? How bizarre. Will we meet a quasi-star, also called a black hole star? Will we meet a hypergiant? I really love science. I'm a white dwarf main sequence star. My name is Altair from the Aquila constellation. Not too far out there. I'm a fast fast-revolving star. It takes only 10 hours for me to rotate, which is why I'm not quite round. I have a flattened-out shape.
I'm Zubin Eshmali, the brightest star in Libra. With Zubin El-Ganubi and second brightest. We have cool names, huh? I'm classified as blue white, makes secret star type. But strangely, from Earth, I look green to the human eye.
Vega is my name, a bluish-white main sequence star. I rotate every 12.5 hours, which makes me bulge out far. From the constellation Lyra, I have 2 debris disks around me, an inner disk like your asteroid belt, and an outer one you see.
My name is Pollux, an orange giant from Gemini. My friend Castor and I are the heads of the twins you see in your night sky. I'm the closest giant star to your sun, and I'm extremely bright. I have a planet Thespius. He's more massive than Jupiter, that's right.
Giant. My name is Aldebaran. I'm located out in the Taurus constellation. I'm known as the fiery eye of the bull, the eye of Taurus, the bullseye. I'm the brightest star in Taurus and one of the brightest in your sky.
Denim, a blue-white supergiant from the Cygnus constellation. Altair and Vega and I are also part of another shape creation. We're easy to find because we're part of the Summer Triangle asterism, a few bright stars that form an easily identifiable pattern.
I'm Polaris, or the famous North Star, a yellowish-white supergiant located in Ursa Minor. People on Earth can navigate by me because I'm always north. I'm above Earth's northern axis, so I don't move back and forth.
I'm the Pistol Star from the Sagittarius constellation, a blue hypergiant in the Milky Way's galactic center region. I'm one of the most luminous known stars in the Milky Way galaxy. I get my name from the Pistol Nebula that I illuminate around me.
Who else is out there? Let's go meet more stars in our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's go meet more stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet more stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet Wolf-Rayet stars, living fast and dying hard? Will we meet eclipsing binary stars, eclipsing each other? How bizarre. Will we meet a quasi-star, also called a black hole star? Will we meet a hypergiant? I really love science.
CVCVI, a red hypergiant in eclipsing binary star. My new white dwarf companion and I orbit around each other. As we pass in front of each other, our brightness decreases. You can watch us eclipse each other in the constellation Cepheus.
A red supergiant, Antares, that's me. The brightest star in the Scorpius constellation, you'll see. I'm a very cool star and my lifespan is coming to a close. Eventually I could supernova, which would be a fantastic show.
R136A1, a Wolf-Rayet star. Extremely massive and luminous types of stars we are. You can see me in the Tarantula Nebula, but I'm very far away. I live in the large Mount 11 Cloud, a dwarf galaxy beyond the Milky Way.
A red hypergiant from Canis Major, a blue-white Canis Majoris. I'm surrounded by a nebula cloud made from my already ejected mass. I'm so large that when I end, I'll probably hypernova, which may create an energy blast of up to 100 supernovas.
I'm a quasi-star, also known as black hole star, an extremely massive star that's powered by a black hole at my core. A normal star is powered by a nuclear fusion core, that's typical, but I'm unique. And for now, I'm only hypothetical.
Let's go meet weird stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet weird stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet weird stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet hypervelocity stars on the run moving fast and far? Will we meet a hybrid star where one star eats another star? Will we meet two merging stars so close that they can't pull apart? Will we meet a traveling red giant? I really love science.
MY Camelopardalis, a binary star, orbiting so close, beginning a stellar collision with each other. Two blue main sequence stars starting to share an atmosphere. Very soon will merge into one supergiant sphere.
A hybrid star, star inside a star, is that even possible? Some astronomers say it is and think that's what we are. Called a TZO object, a neutron star inside a supergiant, I'm HV11417 and I'm a TZO candidate.
I'm Myra, a red giant with an orbiting white dwarf star. The gas that I shed forms a protoplanetary disk around my partner. Moving fast and leaving a gas trail called stellar wind behind me, it looks like I have a tail. I'm a true shooting star, you see.
I'm the cannonball pulsar, runaway hypervelocity star. In the time it takes to say my full name, I'll have traveled really far. The core of a supernova star whose explosions have me hurtling through the galaxy, one of the fastest moving pulsars. I'll keep running until someone catches me.
The lopsided main sequence star, HD 74423. I have a red dwarf companion that's so close it's pulling on me. Less than 2 days to orbit each other, I'm distorted by its gravity, which makes me egg-shaped and causes pulsations on one side of me.
SAO 206462, a galaxy? No, I'm a star, but it's a little hard to tell because I have reaching spiral arms. They expand beyond me more than twice the distance that Pluto would be, where new planets are being born. My own solar system to keep me company.
Completely dark, no more energy to burn, a dark mass in the cosmos. I'm a black dwarf star, and if I exist, nobody knows. I'm all that's left when a white dwarf cools and burns out completely. Astronomers haven't found proof I exist yet, but I make no light, so I'm hard to see.
Let's go meet weird stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet weird stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet weird stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a diamond star with enormous diamonds at its core? Will we meet a magnetar, a zombie-like magnetic star? Will we meet a vampire star sucking energy from its neighbor? Will we meet an exploding wolf-ray giant? I really love science.
XTEJ 1810-197, a strange star. I'm a neutron star that astronomers like to call a magnetar. Dead or alive or maybe a zombie, I have a very strong magnetic field, around a quadrillion times stronger than what the Earth can yield.
I'm a peculiar binary star known as SS Laborus, also known as a vampire star, because we transfer hydrogen between us. My smaller, hotter star is sucking energy from the larger red giant star. This energy transfer keeps it looking brighter and younger.
I'm Lucy, named after a famous Beatles song, they say. I'm incredibly dense and cool for a star, which causes me to vibrate. Not just a dim white dwarf star, astronomers discovered my secret within. I have a crystallized carbon core, or a heart made of diamonds.
I'm Apex, a binary star, the version of extreme supernova. Both super hot, bright, cool AA stars. We live fast and die hard. Our jetted outer layers are creating a snake-shaped nebula around me. When we supernova, we'll release a gamma burst, the most powerful type of energy.
Stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet extreme stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go meet extreme stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet the brightest stars, brighter than all the other stars are? Will we meet a flattened star, no longer round? How bizarre. Will we meet a hypervelocity star, outrunning all of the other stars? Will we meet the hottest known wolf-ray giant? I really love science. I'm Canopus, and I'm extremely bright. One of the brightest stars that you'll ever see at night. A white giant star in the constellation Carina, I appear. You can see me at my best from the southern hemisphere. I'm Achernar A, a blue main sequence star type. A binary star in the Eridanus constellation. I'm an odd sight. I'm one of the flattest known stars. My shape is no longer round. I rotate extremely fast, which caused me to flatten out.
A Wolf-Rayet star, I'm WR102. I burn faster and hotter than any other stars can do. In Sagittarius, I'm extremely luminous and one of the hottest stars known. In the next 1,500 years, I'll supernova and create an amazing light show.
Swift J1644 plus 57, that's my name. I'm the star that got eaten by a black hole, whose gravitational pull was to blame. An ejection jet from the black hole was pointed at Earth for all to see. The last moments of a star entering a black hole, my grand finale.
Herschel's garnet star due to my unique color. I'm Musiphi. I may be the largest star visible by the unaided eye. An extremely bright red supergiant from the constellation Sirius. My color has been observed as reddish orange, deep red, or even purplish.
I'm BFTS 102 near the Tarantula Nebula. I'm dizzy, spinning at 100 miles an hour. The fastest known rotating massive star. I'm spinning so fast that I'm not a sphere anymore, you see. And I've spun off a disk of hot plasma all around me.
I'm Ray 1796, and I'm extreme because I'm a bit bizarre. I was thought to be a planetary nebula, now a luminous blue variable star.
In the Scorpius constellation, I'm one of the most luminous stars around, with an incredible ring-shaped gas shell around me that's almost perfectly round.
S5 HVS1, a hypervelocity star. On the run, I'm one of the fastest moving stars discovered so far. Fast and furious, that's my way. You'll never catch me as I streak through the galaxy, ejected from black hole Sagittarius A from the center of the Milky Way. Extreme stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet extreme stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go meet extreme stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. universe, I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a tiny star, the smallest known of any stars? Will we meet an extreme pulsar appearing and disappearing? How bizarre. Will we meet luminous blue variable stars, massive, hot, bright, and unpredictable they are? Will we meet the largest known supergiant? I really love science.
EVLMJ0555-57AB from the constellation Victor. Look closely, I'm hard to see. One of the smallest known stars, I'm about the same size as Saturn, which means I'll live an extremely long life because of my slow burn.
PSR J1841-0500. I'm a pulsar from the Scutum constellation, and I have a power like a superhero. When I pulse, I send out radio waves. When I can stop and be invisible, I'll take a long break and then start to pulsate and once again be visible.
In the Carina constellation, I'm A.J. Carini, a celebrity of sorts, a luminous blue variable star fighting to stay alive because my lifespan's short. Burning hot and bright, I have outbursts that erupt my outer layers to stabilize, creating an incredible nebula around me. I illuminate the sky.
I'm Stevenson 218, one of the largest known stars ever, and one of the most luminous red supergiants ever to be discovered. In the constellation Scutum, I'm more than 2,100 times larger than your sun. If I was in your solar system, I would reach all the way to Saturn.
Who else is out there? Let's meet the fan stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet your favorite stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet your favorite stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a triple star? 3 stars called a trinary star? Will we meet a contact binary star? 2 connected stars? How bizarre. Will we meet an isolated neutron star? Highly magnetized spinning stars? Will we meet the coolest known hypergiant? I really love science.
55 Ursae Majoris from Ursa Major, or the Big Bear. I'm made up of 2 close binary stars and a 3rd star orbits the pair. All 3 of us are A-type main sequence stars, the best of friends, a triple or trinary star is what we are.
I'm Calvera, named after a villain from the Magnificent Seven in the Little Dipper asterism, part of the Ursa Minor constellation. I'm an isolated neutron star, and after my supernova explosion, I became magnetized and started giving off X-ray emission. I'm Kamal, the head of the Ram, the brightest star in the Aries constellation. I'm very luminous and shine more than 90 times brighter than your sun. I may have a planet larger than Jupiter orbiting around me, but we're so far from your planet that it's hard for your scientists to see. In the tarantula nebula, a contact binary star, the most massive and hottest known yet, we're the FTS-352. We share our surface and take only a day to orbit. Incredibly rare with a short lifespan, we're headed to a spectacular end. We'll either merge or supernova into a binary black hole system. Who else is out there?
I'm NML Sydney, a red hypergiant in the constellation Cygnus. I'm surrounded by a nebula with water vapor and mass emission dust. I'm one of the largest, most massive luminous stars discovered yet, and I'm about as cool as any star my size can get.
Spica, a bright, hot, close binary star from the Virgo constellation. I'm one of the 4 stars that make up the Great Diamond asterism. My companion and I closely orbit each other every 4 days, and we're so close that we tidally distort each other's shapes.
The amazing Carini, a binary star that's nuts to be alive. I had a massive explosion like a supernova, but somehow survived. The explosion left me with polar lobes and a large disk around me. My supergiant friend is hiding, but I'm an LVD star and easy to see.
In the Dorado constellation, I'm the cool red hypergiant WOHG64. My strong stellar wind causes me to spill gas and dust more and more. That material has become a donut-shaped nebula around me. In 10,000 years, I'll supernova. That'll be the end of me.
Who else is out there? Let's meet the fan stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet your favorite stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet your favorite stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a quadruple star, 2 sets of close binary stars? Will we meet an AB oscillating star, a radioactive shaking star? Will we meet a runaway binary star, on the run traveling fast and far? Will we meet a star orbiting a black hole giant? I really love science.
From Centaurus, I'm Shibilsky star, one of the strangest stars in the universe, a rapidly oscillating AB star or star with rare elements shaking back and forth. The only known star containing actinized rare radioactive elements. I take almost 200 years to rotate one time. It's a long drawn-out event.
I'm Capella, or the Goat Star, one of the brightest in your sky. You can easily find me in the Auriga constellation at night. A binary star orbiting another binary star. So 4 stars actually, 2 red dwarfs orbiting 2 yellow giants. That's what makes up me.
Mila X1, a runaway high-mass X-ray binary star. A blue supergiant with strong solar winds and pulsing fast-spinning neutron star. My solar winds are so strong that they create a bow shock in front of us. We orbit each other every few days as we race across the universe. I'm S2 near the center of the Milky Way in the constellation Sagittarius. My location in the galaxy is a little bit precarious. I have a unique orbit around the massive black hole Sagittarius A. A rose-shaped Schwarzschild procession that's stable, so I should be okay.
Well, see now there.
Let's meet the fan stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet your favorite stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet your favorite stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a subdwarf star, less luminous than main sequence stars? Will we meet a brown dwarf star, the missing link between planets and stars? Will we meet a Hades star, three main sequence stars with circumstellar disk they are? Will we meet the farthest known supergiant? I really love science.
A cool red subdwarf on Captain Star. My luminosity is low in the constellation Pictor, the nearest star within the galactic halo. I have at least 2 planets orbiting me, including a super Earth planet 5 times more massive than Earth. It could support alien life on it.
We're Lumen 16, a binary brown dwarf star, only 6.5 light years away in the constellation Vela we are. With masses between gas giant planets and small stars, we can't fuse hydrogen, but we do emit light and heat from radiation within. I'm HD100546, a Herbig AEBE star. This means I'm very young and my fusing of hydrogen to helium has yet to start. Heavy stars are surrounded by circumstellar disks of debris where new exoplanets are being born, like HD100546b.
A supergiant from Orion, the sword of the giants. My name is Safe. My strong stellar winds are causing me to lose a lot of mass at a fast pace. I'm really hot and I spin really fast, so I expend a lot of energy. I'll eventually expand into a red giant and supernova spectacularly.
I'm Naos from the constellation Puppis, a very rare O-type star, a blue supergiant, one of the bluest and most luminous stars there are. I'm extremely hot, approximately 42,000 degrees Kelvin, and I'm the closest O-type star to your sun.
I'm Gacrux, a binary star from the Crux constellation. Not only the top star, but the only red star in the Southern Cross asterism. The Southern Cross is a popular Earth symbol, so I'm featured on lots of flags you'll see, and I'm the closest red giant star to Earth. Maybe someday you'll visit me.
I'm Earendel, the morning star, a blue giant from the constellation Cetus, the farthest known star yet discovered, even further away than Icarus. 28 billion light years away, they used gravitational lensing to find me. A galaxy cluster between us acted as a magnifying lens, you see.
I'm Regulus, the heart of the lion in the Leo constellation. I'm also one of 3 stars in the spring triangle asterism. I rotate once every 16 hours, so I'm egg-shaped from spinning so fast. And surprise, I'm a quadruple star. 4 stars in one. We're having a blast.
Well, see now there.
Let's meet the fan stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet your favorite stars. There are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet your favorite stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a 6-fold star, 3 pairs of orbiting binary stars? Will we meet the loneliest star, shining bright in the dark where no other stars are? Will we meet an alien megastructure star, behaving unpredictably? How bizarre! Will we meet a light-echoing supergiant? I really love science.
I'm Castor of the Gemini twins, I'm one of the heads of them. 6 stars in one, 3 pairs of binary stars make up my system. All 6 of my stars are gravitationally bound and dance around each other. By separate but tight orbits we have with our sisters and brothers.
I'm Fomalhaut, the loneliest star, a bright light in the dark sky. But I'm a triple star, so at least I have my 2 companions nearby. There could be exoplanets hiding in my rings of gas, dust, and debris, though scientists now think my zombie exoplanet was just a dust cloud near me.
Tabby star, I'm a complete mystery. I'm confusing astronomers with my unusual fluctuations in brightness, you see. Am I a part of an extraterrestrial megastructure? That's one way it could be explained. Other theories are colliding comets, weird dust clouds, whatever it is, it's strange.
D838 Monocerotis, an amazing sight to see. My outer layers had a rapid expansion eruption and I became huge suddenly. This created a light echo, an expanding halo of light around me, illuminating and revealing beautiful nebulae.
Well, see now there.
Let's go meet strange stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet strange stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet strange stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a fake diamond star, sparkling more than the other stars are? Will we meet a heavy metal star surrounded by lead-filled clouds? How bizarre! Will we meet a polka dot star with interacting chromospheres where giant stellar spots are? Will we meet the oldest known subgiant? I really love science. I'm a very unique star because I do extra sparkling. I'm a hot sub-dwarf star, LSIV 14116. Above my blue surface are clouds of zirconium that make me glittery. Between the constellations, Capricornus and Aquarius, you can find me.
I look like a giant peanut. I'm HR 5171, a contact binary star, a yellow hypergiant with my cool giant companion. We're also an eclipsing binary star. My companion orbits me regularly. In the constellation Centaurus is where you'll find me.
Our name is Aurus Canum Venaticorum, a close eclipsing binary star in the Canis Venatici constellation. We have interactive chromospheres which create large, cool stellar spots that make our brightness vary and look like giant polka dots.
I'm Methuselah, one of the oldest stars. Getting old is a curse. I'm not quite sure of my age. Am I older than the universe? That doesn't make sense, but I was around when the universe was forming. Born in a primeval dwarf galaxy, find me in Libra still performing.
Who else is out there?
Scorpii in the Scorpions constellation, an exotic binary star, a red dwarf star with a rare white dwarf pulsar. Every 2 minutes I'm hit with beams of radiation from my little spinning companion, causing our entire system to brighten and fade dramatically again and again.
In the Cygnus constellation, they call me Janus, the star with 2 faces. My makeup is fairly typical. I have hydrogen and helium gases. What's strange is that my helium gas is on one side and my hydrogen is on the other. An exotic transitioning white dwarf with 2 halves separate from one another.
From the Cetus constellation, I'm UV Ceti, and I make people nervous. I'm a flare star, and I have sudden and often eruptions from my surface. They flare up fast and calm more slowly, and then the process repeats. The first flare star discovered they classify flare stars UV Ceti stars after me.
A heavy metal subdwarf star, AG 2359-2844, a dwarf star with lead-filled clouds for the constellation Sculptor. I have 10,000 times more yttrium and zirconium than you, sir. Stars like me are a link between bright red giants and pink blue subdwarf stars. Rock on! Who else is out there? Let's go meet strange stars in and beyond our galaxy. Some are very odd and mysterious to see. Let's go meet strange stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go and meet strange stars. We'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a septuple star, a star system made up of 7 stars? Will we meet a black widow binary star, destroying its mate? How bizarre! Will we meet a triple protostar, triplet newborn stars? They are. Will we meet a strange binary star, a black hole, and supergiant? I really love science. In the constellation Scorpius, we're Scorpii, a rare septuple star system, 7 stars. You can count us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A pair of stars orbited by another star, and all 3 stars orbited by another, and another pair of stars orbiting another star. And this trio orbits all the others. A black widow binary star, CTFJ 1406 plus 1222. A pulsar destroying my mate, just like black widow spiders do. My heat evaporates my tightly locked companion as we circle each other every 62 minutes. And the third star orbits us every 10,000 years, observing from its faraway orbit. The odd couple M51 ULS1 and ultraluminous strange binary star.
A blue supergiant and stellar remnant, probably a black hole is what we are.
We may have the first extragalactic planet detected here in the Whirlpool Galaxy. The constellation Canis Venatici is where you'll find our family. In the Perseus constellation L1448 IRS 3b, not a single star or 2. No, we are 3 triplets, 3 newborn stars discovered all together in a rare configuration, giving astronomers a glimpse of a star-forming disk with a triple protostar system. Who else is out there? We're Orion's Belt. I'm Mintaka.
I'm Alnitak.
3 of the most popular, easily identifiable stars seen from your planet. We make up Orion's Belt, one of the most distinct constellations in your sky.
So many of you asked to meet us, we dropped by to say hi.
Let's meet amazing stars in and beyond our galaxy. Rare and very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet amazing stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet amazing stars, we'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a close neighbor star, very close to where we are? Will we meet an amber-type star, also known as apolar? Will we meet a pumpkin star, shaped like a pumpkin? Yes, they are. Will we meet a bubbling, belching red giant? I really love science. A small red dwarf star in the Ophiuchus constellation. I'm Barnard Star, the second closest star system to your sun. The fastest moving star in your night sky because I am so close by. With 4 tiny close-orbiting planets in this system of mine.
WR-140, a binary system with a Wolf-Rayet star and All-Type star in it. With an orbital period of 8 years, we make a tree stump-like ring once every orbit. These rings are created by the collision of our stellar winds that compress gas into dust. With a new ring every time we pass close to each other in the constellation Cygnus.
I'm Kepler 90, a yellow star very like your sun. I'm also host to 8 planets just like your solar system. Some are rocky and some are gas giants, but they're all closer to me than Earth is to the sun. You can find us all together in the Draco constellation.
A white dwarf binary star doomed to a quadruple explosion in the Hercules constellation. So close together that soon mass from one of us will fall on the other, triggering 4 explosions. The outer layer, then the core of the first star, triggering similar explosions on the second, who's not immune. When this happens in 23 billion years, we'll shine brighter than the moon. Who else is out there?
largest of 18 fast-spinning pumpkin-like stars found. I'm KSW-71, the pumpkin star, formed when two close binary stars merged into a great pumpkin. Rotating every 5.5 days, my fast spinning flattened my shape. 10 times larger than your sun, I give off extremely powerful X-rays.
AM Hercules, the prototype for AM Her-type stars or pulsars. A magnetic white dwarf and red companion on a cataclysmic variable binary star. No accretion disk forms because with my strong magnetic field, I'm in control. Stealing matter from my companion, funneling it along my field to my magnetic pole.
Albedo, one of the most beautiful double stars in the night sky. An orange giant and blue-white main sequence star visible to the unaided eye. Nicknamed the Jewel of the Swan and the head of the Cygnus constellation, I'm a color contrast binary and guiding star in the Northern Cross asterism.
Excuse me, I'm Arduratus, and I'm a bit bloated and gaseous. A nuclear fusion in my core is on overdrive, pushing hot energy bubbles to my surface. They cool, sink, and churn all the elements through this convection process in my upset tummy, creating stellar winds, sending my ingredients into space to form other objects around me.
Who else is out there? Let's meet amazing stars in and beyond our galaxy. Rare and very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet amazing stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's meet amazing stars, we'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet an Unuppal star, a star system made up of 9 stars? Will we meet a triple T-Tauri star with misaligned rings? How bizarre. Will we meet a binary hypervelocity star traveling together fast and far? Will we meet a colossal heartbeat giant? I really love science.
A hypervelocity binary star, PB3877, a rarity, coming through the outskirts of the Milky Way galaxy. Moving so fast, we might soon reach escape velocity and continue out into the depths of space, where we'll end is a mystery.
Surf's up, dude. I'm Macho 8744311718, a binary heartbeat star whose brightness rhythmically pulsates, caused by our gravitational pulse generating tides like your moon causes ocean tides you could surf, creating colossal waves so powerful they could disintegrate Earth.
GW Orianus, a massive protoplanetary disk around a T-Tauri triple star system. Our disk has 3 distinct misaligned rings. We don't even line up with them. Our gravitational pulls are warping and tearing the disk and misaligning the rings. There could also be a very rare circumtriple planet forming. Choosy Carini and the Carina constellation are complete rarity. A non-Apple star system, that means 9 stars make up me.
With a central quadruple star arrangement, 2 binary stars with confirmed orbital motion, and 5 other outer stars, all part of our complex system.
Who else is out there? And now, here is our 100th star.
Shrouded in mystery, I'm a theoretical star named Nemesis. Some scientists believe I'm out here, but others don't think I exist. Most stars form in pairs. Your sun is alone. Maybe I'm hiding in the Oort cloud somewhere near. No one has found me yet, but that doesn't mean that I'm not here.
Who else is out there? Let's meet awesome stars in and beyond our galaxy. Rare and very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet awesome stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go meet awesome stars, we'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder who we'll meet first. Will we meet a carbon star glowing redder than other stars? Will we meet a snowman star, a white dwarf shaped like a snowman bazaar? Will we meet a double pulsar creating ripples in space-time? They are. Will we meet a pulsating supergiant? I really love science.
Magnificent, superb, I'm La Superba, one of the reddest stars in your sky. I'm a special supergiant called a carbon star, that's why. My large abundance of carbon absorbs blue light, making me glow red. In the constellation Canis Fanatici, you'll see me above your head.
CW Leonis, the closest carbon star to Earth, that's me. A dying red giant in the Leo constellation, and hypnotic sight to see. The orange-red webs around me are clouds of carbon I've ejected, providing raw material for new stars and planets to form. That's what's expected.
In the constellation Puppets, the first double pulsar discovered a rarity. PSRG 07373039AD. Orbiting every 2.4 hours, we make gravitational waves or ripples in space-time. Binary, rapidly rotating neutron stars you can study from Earth because we're alive.
A super fast compact subdwarf star on TMTS J0526b, only 7 times larger than Earth, one of the smallest stars you'll ever see. With my binary companion, a white dwarf star, we complete one orbit every 20.5 minutes. This speed is distorting my shape. Find me in the constellation Camella Pardalis.
Who else is out there?
We're the J093010 eclipsing quintuple star system, a contact binary and a detached binary pair with a fifth star orbiting them. Easy to observe from Earth because we eclipse each other along the same straight line in the Ursa Major constellation. We're one of the strangest star systems you'll find.
I'm the snowman star, WDJ0551, that's me. The result of a merge of 2 white dwarf stars into one strange star, you see. I'm much faster, more massive, and carbon-rich than typical white dwarf stars. 150 light years away, I'm something special you've never seen before.
The stunning RS Puppets, a luminous Cepheid variable star, that's me. I rhythmically brighten and dim because I'm expanded
expanding and contracting every 6 weeks. Surrounded by a nebula, Hubble captured photos of my light that glowed in the constellation Puppis. You can watch my light diminish and grow.
WR-104, the Death Star, because when I supernova, I'll release a powerful gamma ray burst. This burst could be a planet killer, and it looked like my death ray was pointed at Earth. Don't worry, new studies show I'm not aligned, so my triple star system earned a new nickname for us, the Pinwheel Star, because the collision of our powerful winds creates a pinwheel of dust.
Who else is out there? Let's meet awesome stars in and beyond our galaxy. Rare and very far, but still bright enough to see. Let's meet awesome stars, there are many different kinds. They will blow your mind. Let's go meet awesome stars, we'll travel very far out through our universe. I wonder, who will meet first? Will we meet a tightly bound quadruple star packed close together? These stars are. Will we meet the most magnetic star, the progenitor of a magnetar? Will we meet a recurrent nova star exploding regularly over and over? Will we meet a Dyson sphere alien megastructure giant? I really love science.
Primordial Borealis, a main star with a special talent to show. I'm a recurrent nova and experience explosions every 80 years or so. A binary star, I steal gas from my red giant companion that forms a cloud around me. The gas builds up on my surface, pressure and temperature build until my surface explodes dramatically.
TIC 120362137, the most compact quadruple star system. 3 tightly bound inner stars with me, a 4th star orbiting them. 3 inner stars are so close we could fit within the orbit of Mercury around your sun. Eventually we 3 will merge and end up as just 2 white dwarf stars when we're done.
In the constellation crater, I'm the TV crater star system. A quadruple system, 2 pairs of binary stars with a protoplanetary disk around one. The disk has a gap dividing it into 2 dust belts, which probably means one thing. The gaps are being created because there is a new planet forming.
The most magnetic massive star discovered yet on a quasi-Wolf-Rayet star. In the HD 45166 binary system in the constellation Monoceros, I'm a massive helium-rich star with an incredibly strong magnetic field. When I supernova, my core will collapse into a magnetar. That's what time deal.
Who else is out there?
I'm HD 139139, the random transitor. I'm a mystery. Within 87 days, scientists observed 28 objects transiting or passing in front of me. But these weren't planets, they aren't periodic, so what else could it be? Could I be a Dyson sphere, an alien megastructure built around a star to harvest energy?
Who else is out there?
We've only scratched the surface. There are billions of stars, you see. But now we've met a few and understand their diversity. Let's keep on exploring our wondrous universe. Keep discovering new stars. Which star will you meet first?